pedagogy here at SPJIMR is superb. The way they teach, SPJIMR has the best faculty in the country.
I'm struck with how innovative teaching out here is. I mean, who would have thought that financial accounting can be taught by a game of Monopoly or a course on design thinking, which is extremely relevant in the industry today. In fact, companies send their employees for training on design thinking.
This is a powerful program. It acts as a career accelerator. And here I not only interact with students of my own batch, but with students from the Family Management Businesses program, the Global MBA program, and the Executive and the 2-year program. In total, it gives me holistic learning.
It's like a family out here. Relationship with the dean or with any other faculty is great.
There is something special here about the teacher-student bond. At SPJIMR, we are very open to feedback. We are very open to student opinion. The kind of respect our students have for us, it's enormous. It's probably in the ecosystem in the entire college.
Self-development, which is an essential element of management education, can be effective only when we realize the truth that the universe is an interconnected, interdependent system. This sense of contribution, which is the basis of ethical leadership, how to bring into curriculum, has been a challenge. And SPJIMR has been really doing a pioneering work in this area.
SPJIMR's MBA program has been one of the most rewarding experiences, especially our DOCC program, which exposed us to semi-urban and rural livelihoods, the issues that they face, the challenges, and what are the innovative solutions that we really can bring in from our management knowledge.
It's been a whole new experience because it's not about just teaching the child that you get, it's about actually a whole around development of the kid that you can bring about within a year or two. Can you mentor it in the right way? Can you give her or him the right direction? And from them also we learn so much. I've learned patience. It's just totally a wonderful experience that you get, and it's so humbling.
She shares her feelings and I also share my feelings, and she understands me.
PG Lab is a 3-day course which is held in the green valleys of Khandala. We went there as individuals but came back as a group, which we call as a journey from me to we. We had deep discussions with our faculty, have bonding exercises with the batch, and the friendships which we built will last for a lifetime.
All the activities here are majorly student-led. They are managed, planned and executed by the students. We got the opportunity here to co-create the first annual business quiz of SPJIMR, and it resulted in a wonderful show. Right, 10 points.
The postgraduate program for development management, a program exclusively designed for the social development sector. What fascinates me about the program is the fact that every aspect, including project management, fundraising, financial management, everything has been so well incorporated into the program, and it gives me an opportunity to deal with all the professionals from the sector and understand from them.
Postgraduate Management Program for Women. This program aims to help women like me who are on career break and wish to get back to corporate full-time. In fact, this program gives me a confidence and makes me feel career break isn't the end of my career.
Postgraduate Executive Management Program. It has been an excellent experience. The peer learning and the networking opportunities is immense, considering the varying experience from 7 to 20 years of the participants. SPJIMR create value-based leaders.
There must be something out there that caters to the second or the third or the fourth generation that is joining the business, to grow the business, to stabilize the business, to improvise on the business. The FMB course is not just about learning from the faculty, but it is more about connecting and networking with your peers.
I got to learn something that would have taken me at least 10 years otherwise.
After she went for about 6 months, we saw a lot of changes, what she brought in our company.
We got to study in a university which is of a completely different culture. You know, we got that experience which is amazing, which is very enriching.
SPJMR, we believe that a true leader can develop two qualities. One is the awareness. The second is this ability to connect back to himself in a deeper and more centered way.
When I was on campus, Dr. Shrikant was our dean, and his dream was to create here in India a management institution that was truly different, truly relevant, and truly world-class. His vision and work are what have made the institute where it is today.
Opportunities, happiness, courage, heart,
Exciting.
dynamic, innovative, spirit,
Progress, growth, passion,
Grounded.
sensitive, learning, legacy,
aim, change,
hiring, challenge us, by body.